Having a data strategy these days is key, especially for a chief digital officer. What is a data strategy about? It's in the very beginning very simple, an inventory. What kind of data do we actually have? And combined with, let's say, a legal check, are we really owners of these data? In the past, sure, everybody just looked on the data in the terms of, do I have all the data I need to settle the transaction? Yeah. Nobody was really thinking about a secondary, third use of these data. And here we are actually talking with quite a few players in the industry, with transport platforms and so on, just meeting their digital people and basically brainstorm our business models and say, so what kind of data do you have and could you make use of my data? Because I think nobody in the industry has a complete set. Everybody basically needs to co-optition. This is where I think this famous co-optition in digital is coming from. Nobody is really complete when it comes to the data sets. So where could we cooperate, even if these are competitors, to have a complete set to maybe jointly offer new services. So definitely we have a data strategy, but to be honest, in our strategy, the most important part is to gain this completeness, is to find partners to get a complete picture of the transport industry. That's more the goal we are striving for. We work with HERE technologies we perceive as being the leader in real-time location-based services to gain information on traffic situation, on locations, on route conditions and all these kind of things, and to shape whatever HERE can deliver in terms of information in that area and turn it into value for our customers. Our customers are small hauling companies or carriers. These are companies that have between 1 and 10 trucks. We want to help the driver and the dispatcher to make the right decisions. This goes from a micro level, like when to brake, how harsh, driving behavior and things like that, up to was a tour plan the best one you could do. The context we try to shape through our digital activities is number one, the truck and the tour. So that means we need location data. We need them time resolved because the truck is moving. We also need to understand traffic situation and so on. The next important piece in that chain is the driver. And he makes a lot of decisions, and actually today nobody can tell the driver if the decision was right. Was it right to drive around the traffic jam, or should he have stayed inside the jam? Was it right to brake hard? Was it right to fuel there instead of fueling somewhere else? So our claim actually is, you drive, we care. And it really describes in a unique way what the company is about. So what was the role of DKV in the past helping the carriers? To support them with services on the road. This support was never meant to be real time. So we do contracts with our customers, let's say, that run for a year, and we give them best network, best tolling, whatever for the job they have to do. Not taking into consideration actual road conditions, actual traffic conditions, actual route design. This is how it was done all the time in the past, and there was no chance to make it differently. Today, we arrive at real time, at location-based services. You can know any second where an asset is, meaning a truck. You can know about the traffic situation the truck is in. You can make real-time predictions. What's the best choice now? Do I go left or right? Do I fuel now or later? And this is the direction we want to go. So we want to help our customers to react real time.